Hi, my name is Gretchen and I'm here today to talk to you about note-taking skills. For students moving into harder classes, sometimes it can be difficult to learn how to take notes. In lower level classes, teachers sometimes give out packets where all they have to do is really fill in the blank or something that's pretty easy, so when they get to these harder classes, they sometimes struggle with taking notes. I'm here to give you some tips on how to overcome that anxiety about taking notes in a lecture class. So in higher level high school classes, sometimes the teachers give lectures or PowerPoints and things like that, and it can be intimidating to try and get down everything that they say. Here are my top 3 tips for note-taking. Number 1 is shorthand. Sometimes when teachers talk, they talk really fast, and it can be hard to get down everything they say. So it's important that you have your own personal way of abbreviating the things they say so that you can get the most out of each sentence. Number 2, pay attention to the visual aid. A lot of times teachers will use a PowerPoint or they'll write on the board. And the things that they write on the board are usually the most important. So you really want to focus on those things. Tip number 3 is outlining the chapters before you get to class. You are given a textbook for each class, so you have the opportunity to sort of go through the chapter that you're going to talk about the next day in class before you get there. And that way, you have a better idea of what the teacher is going to be talking about and maybe have some of the notes that she was going to say already written down. These are my top 3 tips for note-taking. If you have trouble taking notes, Elite Private Tutors offers help in that area.